I'm sorry to do this to you again, guys. It's another cooking video for you. I've got some juicy burgers that I'm going to get going in our Esse cooking stove here at work. Let me show you the stove. Here she is, the beautiful English-made Esse Ironheart. And I'll show you what we're cooking. Look at these juicy burgers. These are waygu beef burgers from Riviera Meats in Eastwood at the IGA shopping centre there. Great place to get your meat from. Let's get her on the tray. Now, I've never really cooked burgers in the oven, but this, I just want to trial it out, see how we go. Saves all the splattering and the mess that you get in a frying pan traditionally when you're doing these burgers up. And it's a waygu beef, so they are nice and juicy anyways. But I'm just interested to see if cooking them in the stove makes them even juicier. So this is a bit of a trial run, guys. See how we go. So she's just been, I'm going to reload her soon. But the oven's just showing hot, almost just onto hot. And here are those juicy waygu beef burgers. So let me get the oven open up here. Look at that. In they go. I'll report back, guys. Sorry, got to do it to you, but these might be pretty juicy. Just a warning. See you soon. Alright guys, it's been about 40 minutes now. I'm going to check these burgers. If you had a smellometer, let me tell you, you'd be just salivating big time. These are so juicy. Look at that. Didn't have to fry up anything. Browned off beautifully. No fat splats anywhere. No mess. Just ticked away in the cooking stove and came up a treat. We'll pop them in some buns, lettuce, tomato, bit of cheese. Beautiful. You can't beat cooking on a wood stove, especially on an Esse Ironheart. Keeping the juicy videos flowing here at Bairnsdale Stoves, Heaters and Barbecues.